Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys, I know I did a video before of how the rack and pinion looks like. I had ordered a new one because the one that I had bought from off of eBay, I can't remember what company it was. That one is already no good. It's already giving me some trouble. So I had ordered a new one, and I ordered this one online named Detroit Axle. The reason why I bought this one, I'm gonna show you guys as well how they basically took them time out to perfectly secure the package. The other one came, it had like, it was kind of messed up. Like, they didn't take no good care of good packaging. So basically, I got this for like around 140, 143 and change, 143.30, I think, exact. And the reason why I bought this one is actually lifetime warranty, while the other one give me, I only got like a year warranty off of the other one that I bought off eBay. So this one lifetime warranty, which is better. And also in the stores, if you go to AutoZone, Auto Parts to get a rack and pinion or even an axle, it's only good for a year. After that year up, that's it with a warranty. So I'd rather get something lifetime. And you know, but look at the packaging, guys. I like the way how they package it properly. You know, they secure it really good. Let me try to get up right here. It also comes with two tie rod ends as well. Yeah, it also comes with two tie rod ends. So that's a plus for the price. So this is one of the tie rod right here. And I got to take my car to my mechanic actually to I don't know if he's gonna install it, but he said he only gonna charge me $200, while in the shop they want to charge me $780. They want to charge me $780 to install my rack and pinion. And yeah, for the people who don't know what's a rack and pinion, this is what basically control your steering. This right here connect to the steering rod. It goes up, and at the end, I'm gonna remove it to show you guys. They really secured it. They really did their job on securing it, guys. Look at that. Perfect. That's how you're supposed to do it when you want to stay in good business. You don't want the package to come damaged. So here it is right here. This part right here is just to cover. This is another tie rod. Tie rod right here. They have the one for the right and the left side. Right here. This blue thing right here, this is nothing really important. They just put this right here to secure, I'm guessing secure the thread, so you don't really, if it drop a certain type of way, you don't really mess the threads up. So they put this at the end. But yeah, this is how a rack and pinion look. This boot is very important. You don't want this boot to, it almost look like a axle. I'm not gonna lie, it almost look like an axle, but it's not. This is a rack and pinion. This is what controls, connect to the steering, and when you turn right or turn left, this is what move. Help turn your wheel. Connects to this right here at the end. Connect to the tie rod. When you turn your wheel, you get the drift. All right. So here it is. The other end actually have it should have another blue piece at the end. I'm thinking maybe not, maybe not, but they really secured it. They really take their time to secure this whole package. So that's what I like about the Detroit. This is my first time actually ordering from the Detroit axle online. And the reason why I said that I order it online is because this give you lifetime warranty. So if this ever go bad, I also could get it, take it out and send it to them. They send me a new one without no issue. And I just like the way how the packaging, they really did a good job. They really do a good job on the packaging. Like, they sit it down so nice in there, so secured in there. And as I said, the one that I bought from eBay, it's making some noise when I drive. Sometimes when I turn, you hear like a knocking sound, like a clicking sound as well. I know it's not my axle because I just replaced my axle and I barely do any driving. My axle is new, my shocks is new, control arm is new, the bearings is all new. Everything is new. The only thing that is not new, well, my wrecking pinion is new as well, but that one is faulty that I got from eBay and is on the year warranty, which I'm gonna send it back. But the mechanic said he's gonna check it. He's gonna check it to make sure, because he saw that he said when he was changing everything on my car, which is the axle and the control arms and everything. He said he saw that it looked new, which I told him that I just recently replaced it like a few months back, maybe back in April. I told him that I just replaced my rack and pinion. So he was like, yeah, it looked new. So he's gonna check it on Friday, and he told me the price that he's gonna charge me to change it, which is $200, which is not bad. That's amazing. I actually thought that he was gonna charge me like at least $250, but nah, he said $200. So, and I also need the alignment. So I don't know if because my alignment is off as well, make that noise, but it's strange that it's actually making that noise when I drive. You don't hear it all the time, but hey, I feel it and I hear it as well when I drive. When I drive, I hear like a bump in my steering, hearing some other weird noises. So I checked to see if any leaks, to see if the booth is cut, but the booth is actually good. So the booth is not leaking out no oil or nothing out of the booth. So I don't know. I just can't wait for Friday to come and for him to check it and let me know what time it is. I'm gonna make sure I take this with me in case if this needs to be changed. Hey, I got a brand new one. Hey, install it for $200. And also what I saw, I have a leak. I bought a return line. This return line is for the steering. The steering fluid return line. The part down here for mine have a split in it, and it's not leaking fast, but it's leaking slowly. So when in the driveway, I see a couple power steering spots that's showing. So I'm gonna tell him if he could also install, because I don't want to do nothing. I'm lazy. But I'm gonna let him know. That I have a little leak, and most likely it's the return line because I checked it. And I'm gonna tell him, hey, can you just install this new return line, power steering line, for me, please? And if I have to pay him an extra 50, which I doubt that he's gonna take that extra 50 because it's right there at the top. It's like 2 bolts, one here and one there, and the connector, which is right here. And on the old one, he's gonna use like the old connector to clamp it, like an old clamp to clamp it at the bottom. So it's no big of a deal. As I said, I could do it myself, but I'm not gonna do it. See, since he's gonna check this, check the rack and pinion, I'm gonna just let him, you know, install that as well. Take the work off of my hand. But yeah, this is all I want to share with you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this quick and easy unboxing. And sometimes you got to investigate and do your own investigation. I don't even know how I found this website, but Detroit Axle, and I read and I see that they have a good warranty. Some of the products have 10-year warranty. And as for this one is unlimited, you know, lifetime warranty on the rack and pinion. So I just can't wait to get it installed. But all in all, this is all I have to share with you guys. I appreciate the love and the support. You know, it's been a while I haven't really dropped a video. That's because I've been working on another channel and I didn't want to switch up on my other channel, so I've been just dropping a lot of different car videos as well. So I didn't really change nothing. Like, you know, everything is about a vehicle, everything is about a car, about automotive, basically, in my other video, other channel. That's it, you know, in my other channel. So all I gotta share with you guys. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. You know, leave a comment if you have any comments. You can check it out, Detroit Axle, I think .com, that's what it is, DetroitAxle.com. Check it out. If you need any parts, type in your make, your model, and the year of your car if you need any parts, and just look and see the warranty. If you need it that bad, you know, they have auto stores around the place, but the auto stores around the place only give you like a year. Some of them only give you a year warranty. So that's what I like about this. Like, this don't give you a year, this actually give you lifetime for the rack and pinion. 2 tie rods, left and right, everything brand new. I understand that it's aftermarket and it's not really the genuine parts, but hey, come on, lifetime, you can't beat that. Even the genuine parts fail, you know, after like 10 years or so. It lasts long, yes, 10-15 years it lasts, and then after that it fails. So it's not gonna last forever. But as for this, I could basically get this replaced, you know, lifetime warranty. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace while I take care, and God bless. Hope you guys enjoy this quick, easy unboxing. I love the packaging because they really secure this part. They don't want it to mess up before I install it, you know. Peace, bye bye, take care, God bless. I'm out.
I'm fed up of this work thing. My body keep hurting, so right now I leave in right away. I'm tired.